Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. We are JKBS. My name is Jonalit Ehenar.
And my name is Gaya Tagumpay.
And my name is Lito.
And my name is Satsayan Valenzuela.
My name is Jenny Riso.
Media literacy. Media literacy is the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, create, and act using all forms of communication.
Ano nga ba ang information literacy?
Ang information literacy ay ang kakayanan maghanap, masuri at magamit ang impormasyon na may kritikal na pag-iisip.